Exercise 49. The dot plots show two data sets. Which of the following statements correctly compares the medians and ranges of the two data sets? So we have the blue one, where we can see that there is a value of 22, two values of 23, three values of 24, four values of 25, three values of 26, two values of 27, and one value of 28. We can see from this that the range, which is defined as the difference between the maximum and the minimum, would be 28 minus 22, which is 6. Similarly, from the red dot plot, we can see that the range in this case would have been 26 minus 14, which is equal, to 12. 26 minus 14 should be 12. So we can see that, first of all, the range of dataset B is greater than the one of dataset A. Let's see whether we can reject one or more from the suggested answers based on just this fact. The range of dataset A is less, so that's correct so far. The range of dataset A is greater. No, we should reject B already. The range of dataset A is less, could be, but indeed it says that the range of dataset A is greater than the range of dataset B. No, it's not. So we managed to reject B and D. Now we have to compare the medians to actually decide whether it's going to be A or C. The median is always the value found in the middle. Theoretically, in order to find the median, we need to place the values in numerical order and then one by one start taking out values. The smallest, the biggest, the smallest, the biggest. If this process leaves one single value in the end, that would be the value of the median. If it leaves two values, then we get as our median their average. We assume that all the values are in order, so I'll start taking out the smallest, the biggest, 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 the smallest, the biggest. I would take out 2 as the smallest and the biggest. I'm left out with two values which are both equal to 25, so the median for the top one would have been 25. Now let's do the same process for the one below. The smallest, the biggest, 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 the smallest, the biggest. So we are left with two values, one of which is 19 and the other is 20. So their average, which is 19.5, would be the set's median. So from this, we can see that data sets A median is greater than the median from dataset B. The median of dataset A is greater than the median of dataset B, so A would be the right choice for this specific exercise.